Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Julie. Today I'm going to share with you these Floral split strip die sets. There was 4 in the set altogether. There's poppies, daisies, rose, which I'm going to be doing today, and the cone flower. I like that one because it's all offset, and so you can make it like that, and it is actually like a, let me put that one down, it's like a shaped card. I really do like it. It looks like a jigsaw, doesn't it? I quite like that, and it will like stand up like that. That's really nice. With the rose one, that is more square, and I try to put it on the edge of the card. As you can see, I've done a lot of prep. I've tried to put it on the edge of the card so that you did have the overhang. When you've done it like that, it only caught in a couple of places. So what I've done, this is a DL card. I've brought it over, and I have brought it right over past that cut line, so you've still got the crease down one side, and then you've got like the upper bit there. So if I bring that one over, you'll see what I mean. So you've got that overhang there, and then I cut out the outside panel again, but I've only done it in a lightweight cardstock. This is only a 216, and place it over there so it does look like it's off the edge, because as you can see, you would only have a small amount of bits, and it was quite close. If I show you, if I turn this over, the cut line is quite close to when you brought that back. I've stuck it right down so that you could see. I'll explain what I mean. I did try that, and yeah, there wasn't enough to hold it. Well, I don't think there was, because you're bringing it back to like just below that cut line, and I don't think that would have been enough to hold it steady. Not unless it, because you're bringing it back to like that, and then your cut line is really up to your crease line. Like this one overhangs quite a bit in several places, and I know this one does, but I don't think it would have, it didn't work out very well. So that's what I've done. So I decided to bring the cut line right over the fold, so you're not cutting away the fold, and then cut out this panel again. We're going to lay it over the top so it does look like it's overhanging, because the other one's quite offset. So that's what we've done. So, and then what you usually do, let me just put that die back before I lose it. That's the other piece of card, that's it. So I've cut out one just to show you really. So I've cut out and placed it on there, and it's best to cut all these out before you glue it down. Cut them all out, and cut the detail in, because they're going to come solid like this, and then you'll need to cut your detail in and get them where you think they need to be, and you can line it up with your little stalks as well. So that's how you do that, and then you'll need to cut your detail in again, because we're going to finish off paper piecing that one there, unless I've just whoop, going the wrong way. That's what I've just done. And what I usually do is I don't cut out the black line, I just take the detail, place it on a piece of card. I think this is the one. Place it in my piece of card, and then that is going to stay in there. Most of it stays into the cardstock, some of it don't. It comes out onto your plate, but just be careful when you're doing it. And I've left, as you can see, I've left the bigger pieces, so it's not going to be too fiddly. And I quite like the white, red and black, and I've fished through some die sets and found some little hearts. Do you remember, I think it was the concertina one where you could cross member it, and those little hearts was in that. That's what they were in. Oh, thought I'd lost my glasses. Oh dear. Right, let's see if I can get these little bits out of here. I thought I'll put them safely, so shouldn't take too long. I haven't played with the other ones yet, because I've been playing about with another set as well. Oh, come on. That's got stuck to the inside of the bag and I can't get it off. Right, let's put that up there. Just have a look, see where these go. That one's going to go there. That one there. Where's my pick out pencil? There it is. So I have to give this a good shake. I think I need to top it up, this little fine liner thing. So and I still get glue everywhere. I think I'm just heavy-handed. Mind you, this one's quite a big area to do it, you know, to put glue in. But when you get to little bits like that, you do need a fine thing to. It's just easier to put it in. Right, let's just oh, I need to come a bit closer. Sorry. There you go. There is enough light in there, yeah. It's getting on in the afternoon, and I thought, oh, I might just have just enough light to do this. We've had some rain come through this morning. Just got back from shopping and it poured hard. Lucky enough, I got inside before it's, you know, before it rained. Well, let's put that back on. Yeah, that's the only thing. These tend to dry up a bit quick as well, I notice. If you don't put this little that little thing in, it dries out. So I'm not going to put any glue on that because that is going to be overhanging. But you do get the little dinky card, but you don't have to make these into dinky cards. You could put them on bigger cards, and I don't know whether 3 would fit on an 8x8, but I thought it would be nice like that. I'm just going to have to sit and play with them. I haven't had the time. Right, and then we're just going to put this on here. Then it will look as though it is hanging over, because the top bit hangs over. And I've just stuck some foam on there because We've got Valentine's Day coming up, haven't we? So I thought it'd make a nice Valentine's. Have I taken that? That don't feel very sticky. I wonder why that happened. Probably when I was messing about with it. Well, I know. Well, I stuck it on there, didn't I? And then I decided, oh no, I want to stick that on it last. And it's just a small piece anyway to stick on there. Right. Quite like these. They got like a little pinprick detail around the outside of these hearts. See if I can get it off of that. Just having a look, see if the see if it was okay. It feels as though it's coming over darker. I don't think it'll be long now before we will have those lighter nights. So I don't know whether to put that one like that or no, I think I'm going to have it coming like that way. That's it. So yeah, that's how I've worked out that one. I don't know if anybody else has done any different or not, but I didn't think hanging, because you have to, it's only a very fine line to hang over, but I think they do make dinky little cards. I really like them. Yeah, so I hope that helps, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye bye for now.